Effortlessly standing out in the scenic landscape of Wildcoast Road in Portsea, FGR Architects have brought the best of minimalist house design, creating a rectangular modular home that appears to float above the landscape, as if perched on a crest. We can appreciate incredible views of Portsea Beach and the surrounding parks. There is a beautiful sense of transparency, where you can look through either side of the house and absorb the views. The linear structure is 30 meters long and 11 meters wide. The true beauty can be experienced in the arrival journey. Cars must navigate through the surrounding park, passing through a tree-lined entrance surrounded by pear trees, before finally ascending a definitive trail of stone steps to the front door. Automatic blinds have been installed to protect occupants from excessive sunlight. The unique land typology allowed architects to design a 6-meter cantilever. The lower part of the floating wing allows for 3 cars to be housed in a covered space. The private space hovering above the ground houses 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Once inside, a clean and comfortable atmosphere is immediately perceived. In the sitting area in the central module, there is a frameless glass facade, allowing the house to breathe from one end to the other. In the other half of the central module, the kitchen features a 5-meter-long limestone island, surrounded by dark cabinets and countertops. Flooded with natural light, the kitchen overlooks the pool and the beach through frameless 22.5-meter glass panels, providing a comfortable spot to enjoy the sweeping coastal views while having a meal. The bathrooms are designed to mimic external elements and create an illusion of showering in the outdoor environment. Large skylights allow generous amounts of sunlight, creating a natural and organic atmosphere. A pure and simple palette was used to create a timeless elegance throughout the 340 square meters home. The house was designed to be appreciated all year round. There is a timeless simplicity in its design. The family will be able to look out and see the world, but remain in privacy from onlookers. A deliberate decision was made to use minimalist interior materials to emphasize the spectacular views.